Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. This time I'm walking across the field and to show you more something about this field and my YouTube channel main focus to show the Bangladeshis natural views and also watching this video how can you develop your fluency, how can you learn different things. Also this is my main focus of this video. So for this reason, every video I try to make in natural places, some important places, and also I try to make practical video where you will get wherever you are staying. It doesn't matter. Matter is most important things is that you should practice, and whatever you are doing is most important for your life as well. If you change your life, you have to learn new things also, because without learning new things in this compatible world, it is very hard. It is very hard to run yourself and to compete with compatible person as well. For this reason, I'm learning. I have a plan in the future also. I will develop myself for different kind of skill in different kind of skill. My tendency is to learn based of the online related skills, because it is very valuable at this present time, also in the future. An offline job like hand work, like electric machine work, like other things, making a building as a mason, scissor, tiles maker, whatever, this is also popular. I'm not telling you you should not learn, you should also learn if you like this, but this is my opinion. I'm sharing that I want to learn some skills. And otherwise, people in the past used to think that we should learn, at least we should learn, if you learn one skill, it is enough for me to continue in the world, to compete with the world people. But to be honest, at this moment, sorry, people think that no, it is not possible to have a skill in at least one skill, at least one places, at least one jobs. If you really want to continue life, have a lead a good place, you have to learn different things, you have to learn different knowledge, you have to gather in your mind. I told you different places. This is my suggestion as a viewer, or you can think as a junior brother. This is my suggestion. People also come. There is a good tendency. I am seeing that in Bangladesh, people want to work this agriculture. Agriculture is a good profession, but it is not recognized in our country. For this reason, people don't want to do this, but it is also important for us. If you really want to take good food, you have to do it, and you have to take natural things. Like most of the people nowadays taking artificial things. So this is the main focus of my video, to help you as a Bangladeshi, because most of the Bangladeshi cannot practice, cannot learn anything properly. They have no idea about many things as well. But to be honest, it is hard time for everyone, and it will be, if you cannot run your life, if you cannot develop your life with time, or if you can develop, change your life with time, you will be a good person, and you can do different kind of good things in your future also. But regular learning is important. It must help you in your future life as well. I hope from this video you have learned many things. There is nothing to say more. The most independent thing, keep practicing, keep learning, and be fluent. Inshallah, one day you will be success. This is my hope, and you should also think about your future and be fluent and be patient. This is also important. to learn something new more. So goodbye from this video, but this is not my last video. I'll make more video upload also. So for this time, be waited for my video next. Assalamu alaikum.